You've seen him on the DVDs. He's been performing all over Sydney, Australia and New Zealand. He's come across the Tasman. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for my man, Tuo Samoa for Paula.
Yeah, awesome. Hey everyone, it's great to be here in Blacktown. Never been in Blacktown before, but coming to Blacktown just like feel like I'm back home. It's great to see all the support here for the teams. We've got some great teams here. How many people have we got here supporting our Mate Ma'atoma? Awesome, about 7 of you. How many we got here supporting our Fiji team? How about PNG? There's the Fijians as well. So. How many people here supporting our Tuo Samoa? How many people here supporting my team, England?
Nope.
Anyone here from the beautiful islands of the Cook Islands?
Alright, awesome. Now, ladies and gentlemen, what we're going to do is we're going to get my man Tuo Samoa. He's going to do a couple of Q&As with some of our boys representing their respective countries. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, England have left the building, so we're going to get Tuo Samoa up first. So we're going to call up Josh Maguire representing the Brisbane Broncos, playing for Tuo Samoa, and also Antonio Winterstein. Ladies and gentlemen, please make some noise for our boys from Tuo Samoa.
Come on, let's give another big hand, ladies and gentlemen. Can you see us? If not, I'm very flattered. Great to have the boys here. How's everything going? How's the feeling in camp at the moment?
Yeah, no, feeling really good. The boys are settling well. It's like everyone grew up together, everyone relayed, and everyone's pretty comfortable. But when it's time to go to work, the boys really go to work. And yeah, we trip out today, so hopefully we can take those trainings into Saturday session and hopefully perform well.
Nice. Josh, how's the body feeling, bro?
Yeah, the body's pretty good at the moment. A bit different being in the camp with the small boys. They run a bit harder, so the contact session's been pretty tough. But we're going to training run today against Fiji, so the boys are feeling sharp, and we've got tomorrow off, and looking forward to the game on Saturday.
You know, when you're training, and also not just with the tests this Saturday, but through the season, what's one of the hardest foods to give up during your strict diet and stuff like that?
Probably the gullo and corned beef that Mark makes at home. That's probably the hardest thing to give up.
KFC.
So on Saturday, who do you think will be? I know England got a strong team all around, but who would you say who would you pick as being probably some of the guys that you really have to try and stop in order for Tuo Samoa to win on Saturday?
I think obviously Sam Burgess is a big name in the middle, but they've got a couple of good halves coming over from England. Probably not as well known as the boys that play here, but they've got that Gale that's pretty good, and Ryan Hall on the wing, who will be a big asset for them coming out of trouble. So I think if we can do a big job on their back three, it'll be very important and lead us hopefully to a win.
I know for a lot of our Pacific people here, especially the women, some are just wondering whether you guys are single or married. We've got some 40 and 50-year-olds here who are so talk to you, you're married, man?
Yeah, I'm married with 2 kids, mate.
You're married as well, bro?
Yeah, married too.
Now, this is your opportunity to, I'm not sure whether you get another opportunity just to say something to the fans, but I thought I'd give it up to you guys. Some words that you might want to say to the fans before Saturday.
Obviously, really good turnout tonight. Everyone's from different backgrounds, and to see the turnout and the different cultures come together, it really gives us that extra motivation to perform well and hopefully do our nations proud on Saturday. So yeah, thank you.
Yeah, same as Tones. Obviously, I think it's going to be a big turnout there on Saturday night, and I know that our boys are very excited to get there a bit earlier and watch the games before us. But I think hopefully everyone in the stadium, nobody will be going for England, and everyone will be going for Samoa on the game. But I know that I'm very excited about the game, and the boys are as well. So just like to thank the fans, make sure that they all turn out, and it's going to be a great day, and I hope we play a good game for you.
Awesome. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for your boys from Tuo Samoa.
Yeah. All right, awesome. Thank you so much to our boys from the Tuo Samoa team. Okay, right now we have a fixture on Saturday that is between the Fiji and Pati team and the Mate Matonga team. All right, now ladies and gentlemen, representing Mate Matonga, please put your hands together for my man, William Hopawate. All right, we've got my man representing Fiji, Pati. He is a barnstorming front row for the Sydney Roosters. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Eloni Vunugere. But we've got a special request. We got my man sneaking in the back there. He represents Mauni County 2770. He goes by the name of Sosaya Wave. All right, all up to you, my brother.
Now, great to have. It's going to be a big game on Saturday, and it's always hard to see our island brothers playing against each other. But Willie, representing Tonga this time round, how does it feel to wear the red jersey and to be amongst the brothers?
Yeah, it feels good. I'm actually excited. It's the first time I'm representing Tonga, and so I can't wait. Yeah.
Well, I'm sure your dad will be supporting you hard. I was with him last year as we were supporting Tonga. Unfortunately, went down to Tuo Samoa. But Fiji, how's Fiji feeling about this year's game, especially after losing to PNG last year?
Opportunity for us this weekend to redeem ourselves after our loss last year. It was great to get the win over Tuo Samoa, but at the end of last year, so we're looking forward to better ourselves there and have a great game against Tonga this weekend.
Well, what's the game plan for Saturday there?
Anyone. Get the ball to Will. So 5 up for Will to score some tries.
So with Fiji, how's the feeling in camp and all the boys together? Does it most of your team come back from last year, or got quite a few new young players coming through?
We lucky enough to have Sullivan available. I'm sure everyone saw his Superman efforts on the weekend, so we're going to look forward to unleashing him. But we've had the bulk of the core side remain from the last World Cup, so the last 4 years where they're consistently still on the side. So yeah, we'll hope we can string it together again and do well.
Probably the similar question as the last one, because I know it takes a lot of discipline to be an elite athlete like ourselves. But what would be the hardest thing for you guys to give up in terms of your diet?
Islander food for me. Will?
What's your island food?
Corned beef. That's my favourite.
And what's another animal that you? Yeah, I can't believe it.
my man.
You guys drink heaps of kava during the season?
Oh yeah, all the time.
Hey, that's so. Like we gave our Tuo Samoa brothers a chance, we'll give you an opportunity to say anything to the fans before the big game on Saturday, since you might not get to see them.
Yeah, well, if everyone can get down there, show support for the Pacific. I think all 3 games would be great, and if we get a full house there with our Polynesian brothers and sisters, I think it would be great for the game.
Yeah, agreed. Wholeheartedly. Even all our Australian brothers and sisters here, let's get down and support our Pacific brothers and mainly Fiji.
Awesome. Let's give them a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. Fiji and Tonga. All the best, boys.
Awesome. All right, just a quick message. If Phil Beard is around and you're looking for your son, Matty, he's here at the corner of the stage. Phil Beard, if you're around and you're looking for your son, he's here at the corner of the stage. We need you to come to the corner of the stage right now. Okay, sweet as. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to welcome 2 special guest players from our Cook Island and Papua New Guinea players. First up, we have the man himself, all the way from the Brisbane Broncos. He goes by the name of Alex Glenn. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for my man Alex Glenn, representing the Cook Islands. And next up, we have my man representing the PNGs. Put your hands together for Nene McDonald, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah! Let's give a big hand for Alex, all the way from the Broncos. We got the Mighty Maroon supporters here in Blacktown. Yeah, it's not many of us. Not many of us. We win it more times than we do have supporters. Anyway, but we're waiting for our PNG representative.
Nene McDonald, if you're still around, my brother, could you make your way to the stage?
So Alex, how's everything in camp for the Cook Islanders?
So, bro, yeah, camp's been very good. The boys have been, we've had 2 training sessions so far, and the boys have been very sharp. But you know, the hype around the whole week, and this Saturday we're pretty excited, man. And it's great to see the great turnout from everyone here, and we just can't wait for Saturday.
So I know with Saturday, so is this the first time that you're representing the Cook Islands?
Second.
Yeah. When was the last time you represented them?
2010.
Whoa,
Yeah,
wow,
so it was a few years ago.
And who was that playing against?
New South Wales Country, so it was a one-off game, but it's nothing like the hype that it's been this week. So we got a tough competition in PNG, and just can't wait to represent our country and our nation.
Now I know you know, been great success with playing for Broncos. Well, is there a difference in terms of putting on the Broncos jersey and then putting on the Cook Island jersey?
Yeah, I guess you know, with the Cook Island jersey, it's representing my family, man. So it's pretty personal. And hearing the national anthem, you know, we went to a Cook Island function last night and had to sing the national anthem and do the haka. And, you know, it gets pretty emotional, to be honest, because I know how proud my family is to be Cook Islanders, and it's in my blood. So the difference between the Cook Island jersey and the Broncos is not too much, because I've always supported the Broncos growing up as a kid. So I think just the difference is, yeah, just my family, representing my family for the Cooks.
Now I know playing in NRL is one thing, but to play this Saturday and to have all this amazing support, how does it feel to have all these great people here tonight?
Yeah, bros, obviously, like I was saying before, just to see the crowd here today, I know it's going to be even bigger on Saturday. And I guess it's going to be a lot different because, you know, the crowd's going to be like a State of Origin crowd. They're very vocal and very passionate. So I just can't wait to get out and, you know, represent my country to the best of my ability, and all the Cook Island fans out there as well.
Nice. After the game's done, the season's finished and everything, what's the first thing you go and eat that you're not allowed to eat during the season?
Chop suey and mayonnaise and raw fish, that's my go-to.
Nice. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big hand, show some love for Alex and Glenn.
Cheers, thanks,
and all
guys.
the best to the Cook Islanders and PNG this weekend.
All right, awesome. Thank you so much to Glenn. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, it is a privilege and honor for us to have this gentleman here. He is representing the Brisbane Broncos, won plenty of grand finals, won plenty of State of Origin series with Queensland Maroons. Ladies and gentlemen, he represents Fiji Pati all the way from Queensland. Put your hands together for my man, Petro Sivanasiva.
So Petro, how's it feel with this Pacific Test this year compared to the other years that we've had our Pacific Tests?
Oh, well, look, I think just the turn up tonight, it's just blowing the players away. Just to see, you know, all the families here representing our cultures, it's a beautiful thing, and no doubt Saturday night's going to be amazing just to see the crowd come out and support these proud nations.
Now I know you've done a lot of work with getting our Pacific involved, especially Fiji and NRL. Would it be fair to say that your passion for our Pacific Islanders is one of the main drives why you're still involved in NRL?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, I was fortunate enough to play for Fiji in the 2013 World Cup, and that was one of the I guess the best experiences for me in throughout my whole football career. And just now getting the opportunity, now that I'm retired, to work alongside guys like Frank Pulatua, Joe Nolivau, Dave Solomona. These are guys that are passionate about giving back to the game, and especially when it comes to building the profile of Pacific Rugby League.
Where would you like to see Pacific Rugby League in NRL in the next 5 years?
Well, you know, I guess Test football for us. Firstly, if we get more opportunities to play big games, big Test matches, and no doubt Australia and New Zealand see a lot of support from the NRL and from International Rugby League. But I think, you know, the more opportunities we get as Pacific nations to play Test matches on the big stage, I think it's going to make us that much more stronger.
What's something that you'd like to say to all our people here tonight before you head off?
Yeah, just Vinaka level on behalf of all the Fiji Bati boys. It's just amazing. It just gives us such a great feeling to know that, you know, we're going to go out there to do battle, to represent our heritage, our culture, but just to see you all there to support us, it means so much. So thank you.
Thank you, brother. Ladies and gentlemen, give a big hand for Petro. Living legend. Go to Maroons.
All right, awesome. Thank you so much to Petro. But right now, Tuo is just going to say a few words, do a few things, and then he's going to finish up. But we're going to see the beautiful Miss Auntie Tala on Saturday. Tuo, you have 1 minute to own the stage, my brother.
Don't worry, I only need 10 seconds. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you once again for coming out tonight. Once again, Auntie couldn't make it tonight. She's shaving her back, so it takes a couple of days. But Auntie will be there on Saturday. You'll get to see her there. But before you go, I just want to say thank you. And I want to say thank you to my uncle, the way my uncle said it when we had a family reunion. My uncle stood up, and the thing with our family is we're very multicultural. We've got Fijians, we've got PNG, we've got Maoli, we've got Tongan in our family, Palangi. So my uncle wanted to speak English and say thank you at the end of the reunion. What my uncle was supposed to say was, I would like to thank you from the bottom of my heart and the bottom of my wife's heart. But my uncle has very bad English, and what he accidentally said was, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart and the bottom of my wife. So ladies and gentlemen, have a good night. See you Saturday. Tell your friends and family, buy the tickets. The website is buyyourtickets.com thing in our Pacific test. Hopefully we can see you there. God bless, drive safe home, and all the best.
All right, a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for my man Tuo of the Puleai. All right now, ladies and gentlemen, it is a privilege to introduce this wonderful performance. Put your hands together for GRC Senior Campus, making their way right now to the stage to show you a little bit of Pacific Island love. We're gonna have to get them to step forward so we can see your beautiful faces. Make some noise, ladies and gentlemen. GRC Senior Campus, only college for you. Ladies and gentlemen, taking you all the way to the Cook Islands. The beautiful girls from the GRC Senior Campus, Oakley College. Oh yeah, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna take you back to my beautiful home country, Samoa. We call this the slap dance of Whakaupaki. Oh yeah, do what you do best, ladies. Hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, with their final number for tonight, they're going to be performing for you what we call in Samoa, Sa Sa. Show your love and your support, ladies and gentlemen, and make some noise for GRC Senior Campus, Oakley College, ladies and gentlemen. All right, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for GRC Senior Campus Only College performing their side, all of their cultural performance. All right now, ladies and gentlemen, that marks the end of our night. So right now, ladies and gentlemen, we got plenty of stores still open. We got the DJs gonna be pumping. Still plenty of boys from our respective country teams still hanging around. But right now, we just want to say thank you to all of our organisers. Thank you so much to Rugby League World Cup 2017. Thank you so much to Mesh and Bar Pacific Test. Thank you so much to my man DJ Mecca. All of our performances today, Leynara and the crew on stage. Thank you so much to everyone. We will see you on Saturday night supporting our boys. That is it for me, Junior Tier Television. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great night and God bless. See you on Saturday night. Woo!